A leaking coolant system on your Ford 5-liter engine is a very common problem. You can fix this notorious Y-pipe O-ring issue and save $400. Many mechanics will tell you to replace the entire hose assembly for no good reason. The actual culprit is just a worn rubber seal located inside the plastic pipe connector. First, you must drain a small amount of coolant from the main radiator drain petcock. Locate the Y-pipe connection sitting right directly above the large water pump engine housing. Carefully remove the metal retaining clip using a flathead screwdriver or a basic pick tool. Pull the hose assembly backward with steady pressure until it pops off the water pump. Inside the pipe, you will see a flattened rubber ring that is causing your leak. Use your angled pick to gently extract the old, damaged seal from its internal groove. Clean the plastic groove thoroughly with a dry rag to remove any lingering coolant debris. Take your new upgraded silicone replacement O-ring and lubricate it with clean, fresh coolant. Push the new lubricated seal straight into the internal groove until it seats perfectly flush. Slide the plastic Y-pipe connector back onto the water pump housing with firm pressure. Push the metal retaining clip downwards until you hear a solid click locking the pipe. Refill your reservoir tank with the correct orange coolant mixture until it reaches maximum level. Start your truck engine and let it reach normal operating temperature to purge trapped air. Inspect the connection carefully while the engine runs to verify your repair is completely successful.